Many countries, including the US, Russia, China, Japan, and Italy, have started efforts for a long time to develop a sixth-generation aircraft that can help them take air superiority over their opponent countries. With so many sixth-generation aircraft development projects going on in the world simultaneously, aviation experts expect that a new generation aircraft will be in service around the mid-2030s. In this video, we'll reveal the UK's program for developing a new sixth-generation fighter that no one expected. Stay with us till the end as we go into the details of when this program started, who is collaborating, and when it is expected to deliver a fully developed prototype to the Royal Military. British defense contractors are hard at work on the sixth-generation combat aircraft known as the Tempest as part of the Royal Air Force's Future Combat Air System, or FCAS, program, which aims to enhance the armed forces' ability to engage in air defense in the face of emerging threats. British Aerospace, or BAE Systems, is leading the team developing the aircraft. Leonardo, an Italian aviation business, MBDA UK, a branch of European Missile Systems manufacturer MBDA, and Rolls-Royce are just some of the industrial partners on the team. The group is collaborating with the UK's Ministry of Defence and the Royal Air Force to design the next generation of fighter aircraft. The Tempest FCAS prototype aircraft is making progress in development at BAE Systems plant near Preston in northern England, with an expected unveiling in 2027. The British government unveiled its new combat air strategy in July 2018, which included the development of the Tempest FCAS aircraft. In the same month, the concept for the Tempest jet was presented at the Farnborough Air Show. During the concept and evaluation phase of the project, the MOD awarded BAE Systems a contract for around £250 million, $347 million, to design and develop the Tempest FCAS aircraft. More than £2 billion, or $2.4 billion in funding from the UK government, is planned for the project through 2025. The British Royal Air Force hopes to have the Tempest FCAS aircraft in service by 2035. Collaborations. Sweden and the United Kingdom joined forces in July 2019 to develop new capabilities and technologies for their future fighter jets as part of the FCAS initiative. The countries also regarded the deal as a chance to modernize their current JAS-39 Gripen and Typhoon combat aircraft systems. At the 2019 Defense and Security Equipment International, or DSEI, conference in London, industry partners from the United Kingdom and Italy signed a statement of intent to work together on the Tempest FCAS program. In July of 2020, the UK, Italy, and Sweden began talks with their respective industries to pool their resources in order to create a future combat air capability. In December of 2020, a trilateral arrangement for the development of the Tempest was reached by the three governments involved. The United Kingdom and Japan collaborated in December 2021 to create a jet engine prototype for the future fighter program. In February of 2022, the two countries reached an agreement to collaborate on developing Jaguar Universal Radio Frequency Sensor technology for use in jet fighters. During a press conference in July of 2022, the MOD announced that it would be collaborating with Japan and Italy on a collaborative concept analysis of the FCAS program. Concept development. British aircraft manufacturer Aeralis and French defense contractor Thales teamed up in July of 2019 to brainstorm ideas for a ground-based training and simulation system to supplement the Tempest FCAS aircraft development. The system will be used across the board in a comprehensive aviation training program of the future. In July of 2020, Team Tempest secured contracts with 7 businesses to develop new concepts for combat aircraft and related technology. These businesses were Thales UK, Bombardier Belfast, Collins Aerospace, GE Aviation UK, GKN Aerospace, Martin Baker, and Q Inetique. Collins Aerospace is providing sophisticated actuation systems for the Tempest. Open architecture and infrastructure for electrical power and avionics systems are currently being developed by GE Aviation UK, a part of GE Aviation. Ejection seat development has been assigned to Martin Baker, and Q Inetique will be providing testing and evaluation assistance. In July of 2020, GKN Aerospace Sweden joined the United Kingdom and Italy in conducting feasibility studies on the development of future fighter engine technology. In June of 2022, Saab received a contract from the Swedish Defence Material Administration, or FMV, for 250 Swedish kronor, or $25 million, to perform research into the advancement of futuristic fighter aircraft technologies. As part of the FCAS initiative, Leonardo has entered into a partnership with Electronica, an Italian provider of electronic defense systems. The collaboration's main objective is to showcase the airplane's cutting-edge sensors and systems. The number of organizations participating in Tempest in the UK has risen to around 600. In April of 2022, BAE Systems contracted Wind River, a developer of software solutions, to aid in the technology demonstration efforts associated with the Tempest program. Aircraft design and features. The sixth-generation, optionally manned stealth fighter jet will be built to be linked, flexible, and upgradable in order to meet the challenges posed by ever-evolving threats. It is anticipated that the design will utilize an open architecture to allow for future capability expansion and adaptation. The plane's airframe will be built using high-tech composite materials and additives that will allow it to function in hotter conditions. It will utilize digital engineering technologies and cutting-edge procedures to shorten the production cycle. The aircraft will have the capability to scale from fully autonomous to partially autonomous, allowing for a wide range of operational configurations. Existing weapons, planned weapons, and future weapons like Meteor, the next-generation beyond visual range air-to-air missile, will all be supported by Tempest. Using artificial intelligence and machine learning, the Weapon Effects Management System will regulate the coordination of all weapons on the battlefield. An anti-missile defense system will also be included in Tempest's design. Mission capabilities. The fighter plane will be an interconnected part of a system of systems covering the whole battle space. In the event of future wars, it will work together with other FCAS components such as unmanned combat aircraft, civil platforms, satellites, and cybersecurity command and control centers. The plane can fly with or without a human pilot on board, thanks to its AI, machine learning, and autonomous technologies. Drone management is also anticipated to make use of swarming technology. It will take in information from a variety of sources and use that data to develop trustworthy intelligence that can be shared with other linked aircraft in a combat cloud. In stealth mode, the aircraft will be able to observe the whole battlefield while carrying a heavy load of advanced armaments, including directed energy and hypersonic missiles. Cockpit. The Tempest Systems cockpit will have head-mounted display helmets inspired by the wearable cockpit technology concept. The helmets will be utilized to display interactive cockpit displays and controls in the form of next-generation augmented and virtual reality projections right in front of the pilot's eyes. Some other ideas, including using virtual assistants to aid pilots, are also being tried out. An advanced, adaptable, software-based flight control system will be installed in the plane. In addition to providing safe and reliable communications in all directions, air, sea, land, and space, its reprogrammable communication system may easily be adapted to meet the needs of any situation. The pilot's fatigue and mental tension may be gauged thanks to the cockpit's gesture control and eye-tracking features. Engine. As part of the FCAS initiative, Rolls-Royce developed the new gas turbine demonstrator engine Orpheus. Aerodynamic optimization of the aircraft's power and propulsion system will improve the aircraft's overall performance, range, and payload capacity. With an intelligent power management system and excellent thermal management, the aircraft's heat signature may be kept to a minimum despite its enhanced electrical power generation capacity. Radars and sensors. The planes will be outfitted with cutting-edge sensors that will provide instantaneous, safe, and reliable data sharing via Combat Cloud. Leonardo is currently developing an integrated sensing and non-kinetic effects and integrated communication system for Tempest. It teamed up with Mitsubishi Electric to create the Jaguar sensor technology that would be used in the production of these two technologies. A sensor network covering the entire airframe will be provided by integrating sensing and non-kinetic effects. Through replacing separate devices with unified systems, it is hoped that the full potential of sixth-generation sensors can be realized. Connecting the iSync system to the larger system of systems within the FCAS will be made possible using ICS. Non-kinetic effectors, such as electronic warfare jamming and directed energy weapons, will be accessible to the aircraft due to the effectors embedded into its sensors. The effectors will aid in the identification and evaluation of potential threats, as well as the management of the deployment of the most effective means of counterattack. Even though it's anticipated that the new fighter jet will be taken into service by the Royal Air Force by 2035, that seems highly unlikely to happen. Do you think the Tempest will be the first program in the world to develop a sixth-generation aircraft? If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for everyday military updates. Don't forget to leave a comment in the section below. Thanks for watching.